Supervisor รัตนาพานุนีมา I'm come from ศรีสดวิทยาคารจังหวัดน่าน School, Thailand. Today I'm going to present about cleaning silver jewelry from everyday item using the principle of electrochemistry. Many people in Nan, especially in Nan, love wearing silver jewelry, but the common issue is black tarnish from silver rectangle with sulfur. So we're looking for a way to clean silver and remove black tarnish without scrubbing while keeping it shine on original way. The objective: first, to study and identify a method for cleaning black tarnish silver with minimal weight loss utilizing the principle of electrochemistry. Second, to repurpose everyday item in expensive material or discarded material to effectively clean silver and add value to this item. Okay, let's start. The scope of the experiment. In this experiment, we will use silver ring to represent the silver jewelry because of its small size and the ability to maintain consistent dimension across sample. A small-scale chemistry experiment based on green chemistry principle is used safe everyday material to clean silver ring through electrochemical reaction, reducing the need for harmful chemical and promoting the environmental responsibility. Okay, in the first experiment, we will create a black tarnish of silver sulfide on the silver ring by putting them into the container with cooked boiled egg for about 2 hours. The egg will release hydrogen sulfide gas, which are react with silver, forming silver sulfide, increasing the weight of containing silver. The RGB value are measured by RGB color detector app, and the ring are observed the shine align effect. Okay, and next, the second experiment, we will observe how this black tarnish react with acidic solution. We test with these three types of acid solution that show on the slide. This method helps to some extent, but they often take a lot of time and require some polishing afterward. Plus, they might cause the silver ring to lose some weight over time. And next, we will observe with how this black tarnish react with solution. We will test with 6 types of solution that show on the slide. The silver ring is placed in a mixture solution of water 6 ml, sodium hydrogen carbonate 0.9 gram or 3 tablespoons, and sodium chloride 0.3 gram or 1 tablespoon, food grade aluminum foil or aluminum foil used to wrap food. Then we let it sit at the room temperature for either 15 or 30 minutes and heat it for 5 minutes. After cleaning, we wipe the ring dry and weight it using an RGB measurement app to check how shiny it was. Our results show that the silver ring clean and the heat solution worked the best and remove tarnish quickly and bringing back its shine. And next is the third experiment. We will observe the ability to remove black tarnish on silver ring when using aluminum metal from different sources. We look for better way to clean silver ring without any weight loss. We discovered that silver ring is placed in the mixture. We did try in aluminum foil used to wrap food, blister aluminum foil, aluminum bottle cap, aluminum cans, and baking foil. We also separate them into 2 groups. One group stayed at room temperature for 30 minutes, while the other was heated for 5 minutes. And we found that the silver ring wrapped in aluminum foil used to wrap food and those wrapped in blister aluminum foil were equally good at removing tarnishes, but blister aluminum foil worked a little better. And this table shows the result of the third experiment. Okay, and the last experiment, we'll compare the ability to remove black tarnish on the silver ring of food grade aluminum foil and blister aluminum foil. We decided to cut both into small pieces to make them more comparable. After wrapping these smaller pieces around the ring and putting them into cleaning solution with heat for 5 minutes, we were pleased to see that they were just as well as removing tarnishes without any weight loss and restoring the ring shine. And this table will show the result of the fourth experiment. You can use column B minus column A. We got the weight difference. You can see that the weight difference is all 0, so that doesn't cause any weight loss. And this column shows the RGB color measurement app before and after experiment. You can see that after experiment, the ring are all white. Yes, and this is a picture before and after cleaning the ring. The best solution is water 6 ml, sodium hydrogen carbonate 0.9 gram, sodium chloride 0.3 gram, and aluminum foil used to wrap food or blister aluminum foil, and then cut it into small pieces to increase surface area. The water should be boiled for 5 minutes or hot water can be used. The principle of the cleaning silver ring. First, aluminum foil used to wrap food, and blister aluminum foil contains aluminum metal which acts as reducing agent. And second, silver sulfide in the form of silver ion oxidized back to metallic silver. The aluminum metal has the standard electrode potential of a half cell value at 1.66 volt, which is lower than the silver that has standard electrode potential of a half cell value at 0.8 volt. This makes aluminum more capable of losing electrons than silver. And the solution also contains sulfide ions, so the aluminum ion will react with sulfide ion. The sulfur will undergo a chemical reaction with aluminum forming aluminum sulfide. This causes silver to return to its metallic form, resulting in the silver ring regaining its shine and restoring its original weight. And sodium chloride has a function to mixture solution electrical conductivity, enhancing electron transfer between aluminum and silver ions. Sodium hydrogen carbonate has function to regulate the pH of the mixture solution, creating a mildly basic environment. It reacts with silver sulfide by separating sulfur from silver. This reaction may result in the transformation of sulfur into water-soluble compounds, reducing the particle size of silver sulfide, or creating the coating that facilitates removal of sulfide from silver surface. Using hot water can isolate the redox reaction, and a larger surface area of aluminum can increase the rate of the chemical reaction. Utilization. Silver jewelry can be cleaned with minimal weight loss by using chemicals that are harmless and cheap. Second, the leftover solution is environmentally safe. The aluminum foil used to wrap food and blister aluminum foil that left over from cleaning process can be used as hot scrubbing. And environmental benefits. First, reduction of hazardous chemical use. Normally, cleaning silver jewelry involves strong chemical agents such as ammonia, menthol polish, or amine acid, which can produce toxic chemical harmful for the environment. However, this project uses common household materials such as salt, baking soda, aluminum foil, blister aluminum foil, and hot water, which are safe, biodegradable, and non-toxic to soil and water sources. Development of environmental awareness. To learn value of use of natural or household material instead of chemical substance. And the science project involved designing a small-scale chemical experiment within the theme of green chemistry.
Sorry, the time is out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your wonderful presentation. Next, we are moving to Q&A session. To Mr. Herdayanto, you may start your question.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, I can see that you're doing this for quite a while. I mean, this is it's not just a one-time work for this competition, right? So, where did you get this idea of like a building jewelry?
ได้ไอเดียมาจากไหน Yes. In my province, love to wear silver jewelry, and then it has a black tarnish. So I think that how can I clean black tarnish without any weight loss, and has the shines.
Okay. So, is it only working for silver, or does it work with any other type of jewelry, like let's say gold or something like, I don't know, platinum?
เพราะว่ามัน
Is it working or not?
ถ้าเป็นโลหะอื่นได้ไหม this chemical equation can work only silver. But if you want to use any other metal like gold, have to education more.
Okay, so this is special for silver items here. And if you manage to have this cleaner, how will you commercialize? Do you plan to sell it in the end, like this product?
I plan to give a free giveaway. If I will sell just 5 baht Thai. for each cleaning set
Right.
like this.
Ah,
Yeah, it's very cheap because I use household material to make this.
okay. That's really good. And I think my question is enough. And it's a good project and good result as well.
Thank
And
you.
hopefully your product can reach because you say you can give it for free or if you want to sell it, it will be really cheap. I think it will be very helpful, especially for the jewelry, what do you call that, artists like that. Okay, thank you. How do you say that? Kunka.
Yeah, thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
And I'm returning this to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Herdayanto. Now we move to Mr. Mario to ask question.
Okay, interesting stuff that you presented, and then I can see that you also presented it in a larger conference kind of thing, so that's really good. I'm just wondering though, when you were testing it, you were just testing it against the bracelet, right? So it means that the size is pretty small. Have you considered of testing it into items which has larger size?
Yes, you can pasting in larger size. You can see in like a silver necklace or silver bracelet.
Okay, so I'm thinking about for example, I don't know, something as big as because you mentioned about household items, right? So household items, the first thing that appeared in my mind, if it's metal, then okay, probably it's everything related to the kitchen utensils, for example. Like for I don't know. I mean, I think it's a bit of a stretch, but then I'm just wondering, what if we try it for something as big as a wok, for example? Is it possible as well? Do you think? Like if it's larger than a bracelet or larger than a necklace?
Yes,
Do you think it is possible?
it's possible if it's made from silver.
Okay, right. Okay, and then in the process of cleaning them, did you also add a little bit of physical um, physical inducement, something like sometimes what I remember that if you clean bracelet or whatever, you usually put it into a bustling sonicator kind of thing, water bath sonicator. Did you also need that kind of thing? Something that will then trigger that will produce a little bit of frequency of sound, so that it will then trigger the cleaning of the surface of the stuff, or you just simply mix it up with whatever solution that you use.
Just mix it up with my solution that I made.
All right, okay. And then what do you think the price of the product?
I think if I would sell, I just sell only 5 baht Thai for each one cleaning set. It's very cheap, yeah.
I can tell that it's very cheap. I'm trying to convert that into Indonesian rupiah or into US dollar. I think it's even less than $1.
Yeah, it's
So it
less
should
$1.
be pretty cheap, pretty reasonable. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much to all judges for your question, and thank you so much participant. The judging session is finished and you may leave the room. Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
เยี่ยมมากลูก